Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Revolut to Bitget. So first thing you need to do is open up your Revolut app and then head to click on this crypto option from the bottom of your screen. Then from this screen, you have to click on this send button. And after that, from this list of cryptocurrencies, you have to select USDT. If you don't find it, you can use this search bar to search for it. Then you will see the similar screen. From here, you have to click on this add wallet address. And then you just have to select the network that you want to use, and then you have to paste the wallet address from your Bitget. So open up your Bitget app and then click on this assets option. From here you have to click on add funds. Then you have to click on this deposit crypto button. Then you have to search for the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit. In our case, we are depositing USDT. So just type the USDT in search bar and then select the USDT from here. After that, you need to select the network. You have to select the same network that you have selected in your Revolut. So just select the same network from this menu, and then you will be able to get your QR code and wallet address. So just click on this copy button right next to your wallet address and then go back to your Revolut app and then paste the wallet address in this area and then click on continue. After that, your wallet address will be added here. So click on it from here, and then you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on review transfer. After that, it will give you the summary of your transfer. So make sure wallet address, network and the amount is correct and then click on send. And once you do that, your USDT will be transferred from Revolut to Bitget. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.